Did you know that most people are just one unexpected expense away from financial panic? Sound familiar? Don't worry, you're not alone. But what if I told you there's a way out? Stick with me, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to share 5 simple, practical tips to break free from living paycheck to paycheck. And the best part? You can start doing this today. Let's get right into it. Alright, tip number 1. Start tracking your spending. I know it sounds obvious, but most of us don't actually know where our money is going. Here's what you do. Download a budgeting app like Mint or YNAB, or just use a simple spreadsheet. Track every dollar coming in and going out. See where those subscriptions are draining you without you even realizing it. Better yet, comment below with your favorite budgeting tool. I'd love to hear what works for you. Tip number 2 is a game changer. Build an emergency fund, even if you start small. Think about it this way. Having just 3 to 6 months of expenses saved up gives you peace of mind and breaks the paycheck to paycheck cycle. Start with whatever you can, even if it's $10 a week. It adds up fast. Now, debt. It's a huge reason people feel stuck. The third tip? Start tackling your debt head-on. Whether you use the snowball method, paying off the smallest balances first, or the avalanche method, tackling the high-interest ones first, pick a strategy and stick to it. What's your go-to debt repayment method? Comment below. I might share some of your strategies in a future video. Tip number 4 might sting just a little, but hear me out. Start cutting back on non-essential expenses. Before you click away, I'm not saying no more fun ever. But, instead of buying coffee every day, treat it as an occasional indulgence. Small changes like this add up, and you'll see extra money in your account almost immediately. And tip 5 is my favorite. Boost your income. Look at ways to pick up new skills, start a side hustle, or even negotiate a raise at work. Increasing your earning power can speed up your progress like nothing else. Tell me in the comments, what's a skill you'd love to learn this year? And there you have it, 5 simple steps to break free from living paycheck to paycheck. Start tracking your spending, build that emergency fund, take control of your debt, cut those little expenses, and increase your earning power. Small steps lead to big changes. If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more practical advice, and share this video with a friend who needs it. And don't forget, I want to hear your thoughts. Leave me a comment below with the tip you're most excited to try or your own personal finance strategy. Thank you for watching, and here's to making 2025 your most financially free year yet. See you next time.